Hello, my name is Tyler from Wensco, and today we're looking at the Roland XR-640. We're going to go over some of the basic functions on this printer, so if we were to do the install with you, we would go over this. It's basically just the stuff you need to know to use your printer effectively every day. So let's get started. Today we're going to go over some of the functions that the printer can do. Everything you're going to need for the most part has a button on the front of this printer. The menu option has a lot of options in there, but most of those you're not going to mess with on a daily basis. Most of the stuff you need is on the front of this printer. So we'll just go ahead and get started. Up in the top here is test print. This would be to see if all of your nozzles are working properly. If they aren't, you would want to do a cleaning, which is right below it here. In the cleaning menu, you have normal cleaning, medium cleaning, and powerful cleaning. Medium cleaning is a more powerful version of a normal cleaning, and powerful cleaning is the most powerful. We recommend you do a normal cleaning first. If that doesn't fix your issue, then you can move on to do a medium cleaning, and if that doesn't fix your issue, then last resort would be to do a powerful cleaning and make sure all your nozzles come through. After that, you could run another test print and make sure that it is working properly. The next option is test cut. This is going to make sure that your force and speed are set properly. It's going to cut the square with the circle in it, and if that is working properly, then you won't need to mess with anything. But if it wasn't, you can come into cut configuration here. This is where you can mess with force, speed, offset, and up speed. An important thing to remember here is that if you change speed, you do need to change up speed as well so that they match. Otherwise, you're going to have issues for sure. The next option on here is base point. If you used the first 12 inches of the media and then you wanted to use the rest of it, you could go ahead and slide this over once it was done processing, and you could set your base point at that 12-inch mark so that you can use the rest of the media and it will highlight in blue like it is there. The next option is heater configuration. This is managed by the software, so it's not something you should ever need to touch, but if you were having buckling with banner material or something like that, you could come in and change it here. And the last option is sheet cut. Once you get done with the job and you want to bring it over to the table to weed it or tape it, you can just run a sheet cut and it will just cut it off right after your job. And that's all the functions on this printer. Another important thing to remember is that only some of these buttons you can press. So for example, cleaning and heater configuration, you can open those. But say test print or test cut, all you would do is just press and hold them and it would perform that for you. Test print, test cut, and sheet cut are all that same way. Those are all the functions on the Roland XR-640. Everything you need is pretty much has a button on the front of this printer, so it's super convenient, super easy to use. If you had any questions about it, you definitely can contact us here at Wensco. But if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see us do next. And if you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.